Hi, Kevin Peterman, Senior Product Manager for Liberty AV here at InfoComm 26. And today we're going to show you a very affordable way to create video walls or multi-view in your HDMI distribution applications. So this device is a very small and quite affordable 4x4 HDMI matrix switch that offers a very feature-rich opportunity for integrators to integrate in different applications. First thing is that because of it having 4K 6444 scaling, it is a seamless switch, seamless matrix switch, but it's also unique in that it has both video wall and multi-view processing built in. So I can build a 2x2 video wall, or I can use one single large display and have up to 8 different multi-view windows that are changeable utilizing IP control or RS-232 control. So very simple and easy to use, high quality with 18 gig HDMI support. And again, having both multi-view and video wall built in makes it an easy device to make a standard for all AV integration opportunities. For more information, look us up at libertyonline.com. Thank you.